Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 90, Surface Areas and Volumes, Section A, Easy. Let's start. A box opened at the top has its outer dimensions 10 cm by 9 cm by 2.5 cm and its thickness is 0.5 cm. Find the volume of the metal. See this, it is open at the top. So when you find the height, the outer dimensions is what? 2.5, right? So this height is 2.5, so it will decrease only once, means 0.5 only once, whereas in length outer is 9, so inner will be 9 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, 2 times, right? Breadth 10 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, 2 times, but height 2.5 minus only once 0.5 because it's open at the top, right? This is the only crux of the problem. Remaining things are easy in this problem. So the inner dimensions are 9 by 8 by 2, right? In height, the thickness is to be subtracted only once, right? As it is open. So outer volume is 10 by 9 by 2.5, find it, 225. Inner volume 9 by 8 by 2, 144. So the metal required is what? 225 minus 144, that is 81 centimeter cube. That is the required answer. Next, the number of solid spheres, each of diameter 6 centimeter, that would be molded to form a solid metal cylinder of height 45 centimeter and diameter 4 centimeter is, means what? There are spheres, this is a sphere, and we take some 4, 5, 6, 7 spheres, we boil them, then the metal is converted into a cylinder. See here, both are solid. Solid means full from inside also, right? So we have to just mold this metal into this. So we know the volumes, formula for volumes. Volume of cylinder is what? This one, pi r square h. That is pi into 2 square into 45. 2 is the radius, 4 is the. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.